Oh, good heavens. The car's still here.
Well, pieces of the car are still here. Looks like it's all boarded up. Holy crap.
Oh my.
It's halfway full to the roof.
There's mold.
It's like a super fun one. Holy shit.
There's a tree.
I know. And the roof fell in right there.
Oh, yeah, wow. This house scares me.
This house excites the crap out of me. The Kalihi Valley is super desirable. Not only does it have beautiful Ko'olau mountain views, but we also get views of the ocean. It's a perfect example of an area with old Hawaiian homes. Dude, green moss growing out of the side of your house. It literally meets the mission of why we got started in real estate. This is a house that's been vacant, abandoned. We're able to transform this thing and put a local family into it.
Is this house even for sale? Why do you have me here?
I have 0 leads on this house.
Oh, amazing.
But I've done a lot of research on tax records. It looks like it's 2 houses.
So it means double the renovation.
Right.
If it's 2 houses, 'cause
Right.
it's 2 sets of everything.
Yeah.
But it also means rental capability or multi-gen or whatever.
The tree house is broken up into 2 sections. So you have almost multi-generational living there. This area is known for multi-generational living.
Yeah.
So with just that alone, it could be a massive asset.
What's the land value?
Right around 600. We might be able to pay even a little bit more than land value.
I don't think so.
What's here doesn't look amazing, I know. If we have to put $350 into it, we buy it at 6 or a little bit higher. I'm looking at some of the houses in the area and we're looking right around $1.4 million after it's totally fixed up. We're gonna make a couple $100,000 on this house. I mean, there's a ton of upside.
I'm terrified.
So we got the house. We're meeting up with the contractor and my brother-in-law, Travis, just to see how bad the house really is.
You want to renovate this?
I would rather just tear down.
Unfortunately, that's not what we do in our business.
Whenever possible, we try to not tear down homes. It's our mission to really restore them, keep what we can, and breathe new life into them. Come on, come on.
Plywood sheet and a door.
How do you open the doors?
Well, you have a sledgehammer. Just
Wow.
Oh, look, we got a sunroof.
oh, good heaven. What has he gotten us into now?
There is an atrium in our living room.
We can't even get in.
It's not that bad.
Are you on crack? I love my husband for how positive he is.
I mean, it's not that bad.
But roses and butterflies, and I'm like, just stop it. Babe, you need to call the junk guy.
We need his whole crew out here
And
all the
50
trucks. We're not gonna be able to tell what we're really dealing with until all this junk gets out of here.
I agree. I think it's one of the worst houses we'll probably ever encounter in our entire career. Junkman's here, Junkman, Junkman, Junkman,
Let's
Junkman.
go.
Not too bad, right?
Not bad. Got Jesus hanging on the wall.
Yeah.
Place needs Jesus. Can I cut a hole in the side of this house?
Totally.
Hey, remember that one time we bought a house that was so bad they had to chainsaw a hole in the wall? You guys are killing it.
What's up, Chong? Looks like you guys are getting a head start
It
in
looks
here.
good. Okay, so now that all the junk is cleared out, we can finally see what we're working with. We have a rotted kitchen, a small hall bath, 2 guest bedrooms, and a bedroom with a really rough ensuite bathroom. So 3-2 up front. Now we need to start ripping out all the damaged material to see what is salvageable from the existing structure.
We're gonna start taking apart this room. Sink from probably 50 years ago. It's so solid.
Jeez Louise. I'm really surprised on how the roof is,
Yeah,
right?
it looks
The roof is
a lot better now.
shockingly better.
It's in good shape.
Now that we can see everything, here's what I'm thinking. Move this window center, and then same thing here. This wall right here, we open up. This doorway, I wanted to shift over and then drag the kitchen this way. Got it, got it, got it, good. Okay, where the tub is now, that becomes a part of the primary suite. Take the tub, move it against this back wall here. So it'll be a tub shower combo.
So the vanity gonna be here, toilet, and with the bathtub.
Exactly. Showers on this side, floor to ceiling tile, glass panel. Then you'll have the dual vanity here, and then toilet over there. Okay, so we're good on this space. It makes sense. You have your marching orders. Now let's go check out the back house. Wow.
Here she is.
I couldn't see a wet bar the last time we were in here. Like I couldn't get over here, closet. Now we can see what this space is. Here's what I'm thinking. Kitchen against this wall. Bathroom we move against this wall. So this is now all kitchen. Living. It's a big deal to have a property that has a potential for a rental in it or a potential for a whole nother living space for multi-generational living. The cost of living here is astronomical. The cost of houses here are crazy. So if families are able to get into a home where they can all be in it and each have their own space, it just is that much more desirable. I do not know what that is over there.
That's where our problems lie. This makes no sense.
It's a
total waste of space. It looks like upstairs there's 2 bedrooms, and downstairs we don't even really know.
This is a tiny room though.
This is the ocean views, this room right here. We gotta go on that side and look at what that view is.
This is called a new design feature. It's indoor-outdoor living.
Very breezy indoor-outdoor living.
But then you have this.
Look
I mean,
at this.
To me, honestly, this is even more stunning.
Than the ocean view.
You know,
I
but you
100%
catch
agree.
it on both sides.
Oh man, it's like a dungeon down here.
It really is. Okay, bathroom.
Full bath. So this was
This is a whole lot of I don't know.
another like kitchen area.
There's no need for it. We have to figure out how to create 2 bedrooms down here.
Okay, well let's get out of here.
So I know the house is scary. It scares me. But I have this idea.
About what?
Making it about making it all on the same level. So if you look at the house right now, you have 4 different levels. You have the front house, it drops down to this middle corridor, second structure starts, and then there's a second story. My idea is to raise up the house to the highest point, and then in the middle, add square footage, slap up a wall where there is a door in between. You can open it and you can close it. So you still have 2 structures, but then you have 1 big house if you need it. It gives the option for a large family to be in it, a single family home, which right now we do not have, or flip that. You can be multi-generational, or you can house hack, live in the front, rent out the back, whatever. It just gives more options.
Do you realize how much money that's gonna cost?
This is kind of a big change.
I know.
It's a really big change. We're gonna change everything.
You're talking about jacking up a structure that's not a solid structure to begin with.
Yeah, we risked the walls falling down.
To make matters worse, we have huge gusts of wind that are coming down the valley right now as they're jacking up the home. So it can move the structure, and all it takes is a bad breeze and like, well, boom.
It is up.
This feels really good.
It does feel really good.
It feels grand. While Chong and the crew are finishing up siding, framing the inside, and installing windows.
We got a week left on this house. It is crazy inside. We have every single trade you can imagine working on top of each other. In the last 2 weeks, interest rates have risen a full %, which means monthly payments also have gone up. So buyers want prices to come down to offset that.
I mean, it came out pretty good, I think. Is Joss on her way?
Joss is on her way. One of the things that I pride myself on is being very accurate with my numbers. But we never really truly know until we're totally done. We get a real estate agent in here and they let us know what we can sell it for.
Wow, you guys, this looks great.
Should have seen it before.
Really? How bad was it?
It was bad.
It was
Pretty
horrible.
bad?
It was crazy.
Crazy bad? Okay, let me see. Oh my God. Did you saved the frame though?
Yep.
I mean, it looks exactly kind of like the
We saved
Floor plan?
everything that could be saved, we saved.
I mean, now you see brand new siding. We did that wood accent. We kept basically the same facade, but brand new roof. All the landscaping done. I'm very nervous because the market has shifted a lot since we bought this house.
Let's
go
inside.
check it out.
Oh my gosh, you guys, this is beautiful.
You like it?
Yes, it's amazing. From those pictures?
From
Like
what
it?
it was
Yes, from
to what
it
it
was.
is.
Yes.
Yeah, I think this is the most dramatic transformation
Yes.
we've done to date.
It is definitely.
Let's kick it down this way.
Oh my gosh, look at this bathroom.
So this is the bathroom. So I tied in gold.
I love the texture for the tile.
Yeah,
The little.
it like shimmers, right?
Yes.
Bedroom number 1.
Okay.
It's staged as like a
Kids-
cute little
kids'
kids'
room.
It's
room.
very
Yeah.
nice. It's a
Isn't it
kid's
cute?
room.
We want families to be able to walk into this space and picture their family in
Yes.
here, right?
Not many kids' rooms have bows on their curtains.
Gold
Like,
curtain rod.
Agreed,
Gold curtain
agreed.
rods,
It's a
and
bougie
it was
kids' room.
It
Very,
is.
very well thought of.
So we staged it as an office.
Okay.
It's the same size as the other bedroom. We had so much stuff in this house that we had to chainsaw a hole in the wall right here to get stuff out. So let's check out the primary.
Primary.
What do you think? But do you think having this size of a bedroom is gonna hurt?
For Hawaii, pretty standard. I feel like the ensuite will definitely make up for the size.
Bigger's always better though, right?
But that is a beautiful ensuite.
I agree.
Okay, so this door leads to the back house. Originally, when we bought it, there was a 15-foot gap between the two structures, and it sat like 4 or 5 feet lower.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So we raised the back structure, added a bunch of square feet by combining them.
Okay, well, let's take a look. Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh my God.
There it is.
Wow. Totally get why you did it. I think it definitely does open up more options. It's a great house, right?
Yeah.
You could totally
Yeah.
like leave it as one big house
Right.
for a big, huge family.
Yeah.
Right.
Or you could live in one and rent the other.
It becomes a whole nother house.
A whole nother house.
So we have a whole downstairs. Down here we have 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and laundry. So it completes this side with being a 3-2.
Okay. So you wanted to keep the 3-2, essentially.
Absolutely.
Okay. So the fact that you didn't lose any bedrooms, definitely huge win.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Is this not a dream bedroom? Like, look how big it is. So before, there were 2 tiny bedrooms up here, no primary. And the second we came up these stairs, we saw these views. You have ocean view, you have valley view. We had to capitalize on it, so we knocked it down the walls and we made one huge primary.
This beautiful ensuite, I mean, very rare to see in a neighborhood like Kalihi Valley. And I think it'll make it super special.
So after taking all of this space in,
Take it all in.
was there anything that you might have changed or done differently?
Overall, absolutely beautiful remodel. Put so much heart and soul into it. Absolutely loved everything you did. I love the custom finishes. I love the colors. I love how you played it all together. I love how you did the downstairs, how you increased this side, all the changes that you made. You folks made a lot of smart decisions on this house, but without knowing for sure how much you spent, I don't really know realistically if you're going to be able to recoup it. I think you've positioned yourself well because of the different upgrades that you have done to open your buyer pool.
So I know you have a number in your mind, right? What would you list this house at today?
The number of buyers, I feel like, is not going to be as much. So in terms of list price, I would list it right now for 1.499.
1.499.
I freaking love that number. 1.499 is amazing.
It is. It's higher than you initially thought.
But now we got to get to work and actually sell this house.
I will say that this house is like the most unique we've ever done. This was one of the first homes in this neighborhood. But to take what was and make it this and truly breathe that aloha back into it, I mean, I think I'm satisfied. My heart can rest.
It's gorgeous.
Dang, dude.
What's up, you guys?
Bro,
You made it.
you did it again, man.
When our houses are finished,
Wow, dude.
one of the first things that we like to do is have our family over. We are nothing without our family, and they have been the biggest supporters in our real estate journey. So when we finish a house, we want to share that joy with them. Hi. What's up? Come inside.
Ta-da!
Wow.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I'm so shocked.
And it's important to come in and do a traditional Hawaiian blessing because we want to make sure that the aloha is in that house.
I feel like for a majority of people, a home purchase is the largest purchase that they'll ever make, but it's so much more than buying walls and a roof. You're buying a foundation to raise children. You're buying memories that you're gonna build and create within walls. And so for us to bless the entire space, I hope that whoever comes in, they'll feel that. They'll know that this is a loving place. And I'm gonna cry talking about it because it means so much.
Aloha, mahale e komo mai I ka hale. Welcome to Kalihi.
There's a piece of this real estate business where we're able to help someone. It fills our emotional cup, and we can also provide for our family. It's the best of both worlds. So we ended up getting a local guy in the house. He owns a business here on Oahu. We're really stoked about that. It meets our mission. So we bought the house at $675,000, spent $425,000 on the rehab, which means we're all in for right around 1.1 million. We accepted an offer at 1.499 million, and after all of our holding money costs, selling costs, we're gonna make $200,000 profit.